On question number 12, we have 3.728 hours, and we're converting it to hours and minutes. So the whole number, or the 3, we can just copy that over as the hours, and then the decimal, I want to multiply that by 60, and that will give us the minutes. So 0.728 times 60, we get 43.68, but that number we round to the nearest whole. So that will round to 44 minutes. For question number 13, I can just move over the 2 as my 2 hours, and then I want to multiply the entire decimal by 60 to get the minutes. So 0.9177777 times 60, we get 55.066662, and we always round that number to the nearest whole. So that's going to be 55 minutes.